Welcome, Growth Tribe, YouTubers, educators, and fellow entrepreneurs. My name is Benjamin Kepner of Global Social Media Marketing, and I'll be your host for today's training on how to add cards to YouTube videos and how they can benefit your YouTube channel. So with that being said, we're going to start with our channel at Global Social Media Marketing here. We've already logged into our channel, and then we'll click on our right upper hand corner for our icon and then select YouTube Studio Beta. From there, we'll go to videos and we'll want to select our video. What we'll do, since we don't have the full YouTube Studio yet, we're going to go click on Creator Classic. And we're just going to say that one of the features is missing because we don't have that available yet in the beta version. And see, now we've got all these nice little edit buttons here. So we're going to be doing an example of a video that's a little bit longer so that we can have some more, cards added to that. So we're going to look for a little bit longer of a video, right? So we've got this one, how to create YouTube thumbnails. And then we're going to go to click on cards. And then now we've got this nice option, right? So we're going to pause our video and we can add cards here. So what we can do as a card, if we look up, what is the use of the purpose of cards, we can see from Google directly, it's going to actually show us, the same steps and how to add those cards in by enabling them and pointing to the right card. So we'll access this link. But YouTube cards have different types of purposes, right? So modern day 2019, we're going to have these four that I've highlighted. So a video playlist we could promote as a video content. We could promote our channel. We could do a poll where we're actually asking questions or trying to get engagement with our video. And then we could also link to an approved website of YouTube. So if we also look at some of the benefits, Social Media Examiner has pointed out from doing some of those things, right? We could point to direct users somewhere else in the video. So maybe they're watching the video and then we're using another video. Maybe we might point to a landing page. We're selling a product, or in our case, if we were selling like a course for YouTube, we could do that. We could send viewers to the next video in a series, right? So if they're watching like in the world of education, if they were watching a semester of the History Channel lessons for their history class, they could watch those and then watch the next one in that channel. There's a bunch of other ways we could leverage them for influencer marketing, pointing to influencers' channels, getting viewer input from content development, or we could even do charities, right? Highlighting nonprofits or doing crowdfunding. So those are kind of some benefits that we can use. At a high level, really, cards are just pre-formatted notifications that appear on your desktop and mobile version of YouTube that you set up to promote your brand and videos on your channel. They work really well, as YouTube Creator Academy has said, placed in conjunction with scripted calls to action. So again, if we were going to be selling a course or a service, it might be a really good place. We can see that those notifications are actually inside of your video. We can have up to 5 cards. Most often, again, I think, I've seen most cards used for a video or a playlist, and, a really good approach that you could take if you're someone such as ourselves and you're in the beginning phases of adding cards, start with your most recent videos, right? Because YouTube's algorithm is saying that's fresh video. Let's get that up in, rankings higher if we can, if it's relevant, people are searching for it. So a good idea maybe for this would be, looking at adding our other, video or playlist, right? We're going to add that, and then going and looking for, our most recent other YouTube videos might be a good approach, since this is on YouTube. Right, so we've got our YouTube playlist here. So we might take this one. This is in the Grand Canyon. Add that one in there. Right, and then kind of give it some space as well, right? We don't want to have it too far in. We want to kind of have it placed at the right moment. So we might actually watch the video, right?
Pictures a day to create our YouTube thumbnails.
And there's that card
so just go to
right there. We see it's popping up. If I was going to go click on info, I could see exactly where this is going to take me. It's going to take me to the playlist. So in our case, right, this could be a really good first way to keep our watch time up. Using those playlists, right, because we know that benefits our YouTube channel as a KPI. So maybe starting the video with like a playlist that's relevant, maybe the video is actually in that playlist, right? And then maybe kind of going on with the next things that are in that playlist. So if we go back, so we'll just quickly grab another video.
Okay.
Right, so now we've got two. Let's maybe kind of separate these out a little bit. And then maybe what we do from here is we go add now some more recent ones. Put that at the 3 mark. Take another scroller, add, and then one more. So we can add up to 5 cards. Maybe we have one that's even our company video would be relevant.
Hello, Benjamin.
Right, maybe at the end I'm closing as a brand or a company. I'm trying to encourage that call to action at the end. In our case, maybe we're trying to have someone actually, reach out to Global Social Media Marketing, contact us. So I'm giving them that opportunity at the end. And that's where they're going to be really beneficial, right? Is kind of having them spaced out. That's going to work well. Having things relevant. If there's a call to action, if there's something mentioned, that's another great opportunity. Those changes are all now saved. So if I want to kind of go back to my video manager now and go see this new video with its cards added. So remember, we put it at the 1 minute mark.
Courtney, and then click or just a couple of words or emojis. So we're going to be using Google Slides today to create our YouTube thumbnails.
There it is, the interactive.
So just go to your Gmail account.
I see it there. It's actually even pulling up the other cards that are in the video too. So I have that option to click at them. So I keep watching it, right? This is still going to be going on. I know I put another card at 2 minutes.
Mess with it however we want to.
Boom, there it is. And see, now we're really creating more engagement for our users. We're really, benefiting them more, providing other valuable content. That's what cards are supposed to do. They're supposed to help you be more interactive and help you increase your watch time, right? We want to keep people engaged and watching our videos, and maybe they might lose attention. A card is another great way to kind of interrupt them, add some kind of interaction with the audience. And I think, another great thing would be trying to use cards to influencers or other relevant articles or websites that might help provide more value. Educational and entertainment in YouTube is always great, and cards can do that. So I hope this video has been helpful, and feel free to please give us a like if you learned something in this video, and subscribe to our channel. That would really help us out. And my name is Benjamin Kepner of Global Social Media Marketing. Here's to infinity and beyond, guys. Take care.